So, so today we are going to start online practicals in physics. Okay. Actually, this is the experiment of B.Sc 1. You might be remembering the first experiment of B.Sc 1. It was least count of measuring instruments. Okay. But as a part of introduction of practicals to you, we shall today only we shall discuss about meter scale, then thermometer, Vernier caliper, of course least count of meter scale, thermometer, Vernier caliper, micrometer screw gauge, traveling microscope, then spectrometer, optical bench, voltmeter and ammeter, etc. We know very well that meter scale is used for the length measurement. Thermometer is used for the measurement of temperature in degree Celsius, in degree Fahrenheit, and in degree Kelvin. Okay. Again, Vernier caliper is also used for length measurement. Of course, if we compare the measurement of length with the help of meter scale, we can have more accuracy in Vernier caliper than meter scale. If we want more accuracy than Vernier caliper, we can go to micrometer screw gauge. Okay, and after that, traveling microscope is there. Again, for the measurement of smaller dimensions like bore, diameter of bore, of capillary. Then for angular measurement, we have spectrometer. Then for determination of wavelength of source of light, we have optical bench. Then measurement of voltage, we have voltmeter. Then measurement of current, we have ammeter. These things you know very well. Now, how to read an instrument. In this slide, you will learn how to read an instrument. For this measurement, the flow chart goes like this. First, observe the instrument and scales carefully. Observe its unit, that is location of inch and centimeter. Figure out main scale and the value of smallest possible division of it. Fourth, count the number of divisions on Vernier scale. Then fifth, find out least count. Then sixth, take readings by using the formula total reading is equal to MSR plus VSR into LC. Now, what is LC? LC means least count, and the answer is it is the smallest possible measurement using an instrument. Okay, it is the smallest possible measurement using an instrument. So the formula of LC goes like this: value of smallest division on main scale divided by total number of divisions on Vernier scale. And you might be remembering the least count of Vernier caliper, that is least count is equal to smallest division on main scale, that is simply ms, divided by total number of divisions on Vernier scale, that is 0.1 centimeter divided by 10 is equal to 0.01 centimeter. Now this is the photograph of meter scale in our lab. Meter means 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. We know very well that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and we use CGS, that is centimeter gram second, as a system of units for the measurement. So here 0 is there, and at the other end 100 is marked. Okay, and the magnified view of this meter scale is like this. CM stands for centimeter, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the impressions of centimeter or marks of centimeter on the meter scale. Between 0 to 1, Actually 0 is not marked over here, but we can assume that 0 is present over here. Between 0 to 1 or 1 to 2 or 2 to 3, 10 equal divisions are marked, 10 equal subdivisions are marked. And how to find out the value of smallest division on the main scale of the meter scale? So first, here range of meter scale is 1 to 100 centimeter. It means we can measure 1 centimeter up to 100 centimeter length. Okay. Now observe the main scale, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 100 centimeter. Okay. After this observation of meter scale, now let us calculate the value of smallest division on main scale. Here 1 centimeter is there. This 1 centimeter, that is from 0 to 1 or 1 to 2 or 2 to 3, etc. 1 centimeter is further divided into 10 equal subdivisions. Okay, I'm talking about meter scale. So least count of this meter scale is 1 centimeter divided by 10 equal subdivisions. So therefore 0.1 centimeter is the value of main scale, and only main scale is present on the meter scale. No vernier scale is present. Therefore the least count of meter scale is 0.1 centimeter. Now we know thermometer, we have measured temperature of room or any object with the help of thermometer. So this is diagram number 1 and another one is diagram number 2. Here bulb is there, actually glass bulb is there, and inside the glass bulb mercury is filled. Then we have capillary tube above it, then stem, and the impressions of -10, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on up to 110 degrees Celsius. Okay, the same is picturized over here. If you observe carefully on the main scale of the thermometer, between 0 to 10 or between -10 to 0, we can observe 5 equal divisions. Okay, we can observe 5 equal divisions. And the value of 0 to its first subdivision is 2 degree Celsius. Okay, so least count of this thermometer is 2 degrees Celsius, which is the smallest possible measurement of temperature using this thermometer. Now we have seen these two types of thermometers. We can categorize them as category number 1 and category number 2. Even you can observe some different coloration, that is, this is the red colored. Category number 1 is the thermometers having red color, and category number 2 is the thermometers having silver color. So these are the thermometers. Basically, these are the alcohol thermometers. And in category number 2, these are the mercury thermometers, mercury based. Mercury is filled inside the bulb of this thermometer. And here alcohol is filled for the measurement of temperature. And here you can observe the rise of alcohol inside the thermometer. Almost 18 degrees Celsius is the temperature in this thermometer. Now let us practice how to measure the temperature with the help of thermometer. So in first diagram, the mercury level is somewhere here. Somewhere here means if you observe least count of this thermometer is 2 degrees Celsius. Then if it is 10, then next subdivision is 12, then 14, 16, and 18, and after that 20. So this mercury has rised up to 18 degree Celsius, but it is just below 18 degrees Celsius and just above the 16 degrees Celsius. Therefore, it is 17 degrees Celsius. The temperature measured by this thermometer is 17 degrees Celsius. Now in second case, the temperature measured by this thermometer is 63 degrees Celsius. Okay, because the mercury level is just above the 62 and just below the mark of 64. Now in third case, the mercury level is just above 6 degrees Celsius, 4 degrees Celsius, and just below 6 degrees Celsius. Therefore, it is 5 degrees Celsius. In fourth case, mercury level is exactly on the mark of 68 degrees Celsius, just below 70 degrees Celsius. And in last one, can you tell me the temperature measured by the thermometer in the last figure? Fifth one, which is 1 degree Celsius. Okay. Now we know Vernier caliper. We have seen Vernier caliper in our lab. So these are the inner jaws. These are the inner jaws. Then outer jaws. Then Vernier scale, which is marked over here. Then main scale. Here 0 to 15 is the scale in centimeter marked at the below on the Vernier caliper, and above we can observe scale in inches. This is Micron, and India is the company of the manufacturing company of this Vernier caliper. Now, we know very well that least count is the ratio of value of smallest division on main scale divided by total number of divisions on Vernier scale. So here, to observe value of smallest possible division on the main scale, the same Vernier caliper is shown in this photograph. Here 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the impressions of centimeter on this Vernier caliper. Between 0 to 1, again we can observe 10 equal divisions. Between 0 to 1, we can observe 10 equal divisions. It means 1 centimeter is divided into 10 equal subdivisions. Therefore, the value of smallest division on main scale is equal to 0.1 centimeter, which is obvious and which is very similar to the least count or smallest division on main scale of meter scale. Okay. Now, on the Vernier scale of the Vernier caliper, which is the movable part, again we can observe 10 divisions. Okay, so here I have written 0. First left division is 0, and last right division is 10th division. Actually 0 and 10, these values are not written on the Vernier scale. We can observe only divisions of Vernier. Okay, so for your understanding, I have written 0 as the left division and 10 for the right hand side division. So we can observe this Vernier scale and we can measure total 10 divisions on the Vernier scale. So total number of divisions on Vernier scale is equal to 10. Hence, we can write least count of this Vernier caliper is the smallest division on main scale divided by total number of divisions on Vernier scale, which is equal to 0.1 divided by 10. Therefore, the ratio is 0.01 centimeter. So, which is the least count of Vernier caliper. And this is the formula to measure total reading is equal to MSR plus VSR into LC. As an example, if Vernier caliper measures main scale reading as 1.4 and Vernier division, that is third Vernier division, is coinciding with the main scale. Therefore, 1.4 centimeter plus 3 into 0.01. Therefore, total reading is equal to 1.4 plus 0.03. Therefore, total reading is 1.43 centimeter. Here we know that MSR stands for main scale reading, then VSR stands for Vernier scale reading, and LC stands for least count. Now, let us practice how to measure or how to read a Vernier caliper. Okay. So here, suppose an object is there which is invisible to you, and you want to measure the diameter of this object. Now focus on the complete MSR. Complete MSR in this case is 0.6 because the first division of Vernier scale is completing 0.6 centimeters. 6 divisions it has completed. It means the value of sixth division on main scale is 0.6 centimeter. Okay, it is as shown in this diagram. Now, second step, coinciding division on Vernier scale is if we observe carefully fourth division, this fourth division is coinciding on the division of the main scale. Therefore, coinciding division on Vernier scale is equal to 4. Hence, substituting zero point 0.6 or 0.6 main scale reading plus 4 into least count, that is 0.6 plus 0.04, that is total reading is equal to 0.64 centimeter. Now in second case, again observe complete MSR is equal to, this is 1 centimeter. After that, one subdivision is completed. Therefore, the value of total complete MSR is equal to 1.1 centimeter, and coinciding division on Vernier scale is equal to 5. Therefore, total reading is 1.1 MSR plus 5 into 0.01, that is 1.1 plus 0.05, that is total reading is equal to 1.15. Okay, so this is the procedure how to read the reading on the Vernier caliper. Let us take another example. In this case, complete MSR is 2.1. Okay, this value or the left hand side first division of Vernier scale has completed 2.1, and coinciding division on Vernier scale is 5. This is fifth division is coinciding with the division on the main scale. Therefore, MSR is 2.1 and VSR is 5 into LC. Therefore, 2.1 into 0.05, that is total reading is equal to 2.15 centimeter. Okay. For the observation of main scale reading, you have to observe this division. You have to observe this division. Okay. Don't observe this edge of the Vernier scale. Don't observe this edge. Observe the first left hand side division of the Vernier scale, and the value, that is value of MSR completed by first division of Vernier scale on the main scale. So in this case, which is 2.1 centimeter and Vernier scale is 5, therefore total reading is 2.15 centimeter. Now, next, in this case also, complete main scale reading is complete is 3, then 0.4, because this division of Vernier scale, that is first division of Vernier scale, has completed 3.4 centimeter on the main scale. And on the Vernier scale, if we measure, this is fifth division, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. This eighth division is coinciding with the division on the Vernier scale. Therefore, the value of VSR is 8. Therefore, total reading is equal to MSR plus VSR into LC, 3.4 plus 8 into LC. that is 3.4 plus 0.08. Therefore, total reading is equal to 3.48 centimeter. Okay. Now, in this case, complete MSR is equal to 4.5. So here we can observe that the first division on the VSR has completed 4.5, which is very near to 4.5, but it has completed 4.5, and VSR is 2, that is second division on the Vernier scale is coinciding with the division on the main scale. Therefore, coinciding division on Vernier scale is 2. Okay. Therefore, total reading is equal to MSR 4.5 plus VSR 2 into LC. Therefore, 4.52 is the total reading. Now, you might be remembering these were the objects, first one cylinder, then marble, then wooden block. Okay. And you have to measure outer diameter of cylinder, length of cylinder, inner diameter of cylinder, then outer diameter of marble as a sphere, then thickness, breadth, and length of the wooden block. Okay. So in this photograph, we can observe that the Vernier caliper is measuring outer diameter of this cylinder. Okay, actually it is a piece of pipe. The outer cylinder or outer diameter is complete division. Can you tell me the value of complete division?
2.1.
Yes, correct. 2.1 is the value of complete MSR. Now next, ninth division is coinciding. Therefore, the value or the total reading is 2.19 centimeter. Right answer. Now, in this case, inner diameter measurement is there. That is, inner jaws are used for the measurement of inner diameter of the same piece of pipe. In this case, can you tell me the exact MSR?
1.6.
6.
1.6, correct. One complete MSR 1.6 and coinciding division is 6. Is it visible? Coinciding division. Sixth division is coinciding. Therefore, total reading is 1.66 centimeter. 1.66 centimeter. Now, we can confirm the inner diameter once again. Again, here coinciding division is 1.6 and coinciding Vernier division is 7. Therefore, it is 1.57. Actually, here I should write 1.5 centimeter because it has completed 1.5 centimeter complete MSR and coinciding division on Vernier scale is 7. Therefore, total reading is 1.57. Now, length of cylinder. Here, complete MSR is 4.2 and coinciding division is 6. Therefore, total reading is 4.26 centimeter. 4.26 centimeter. Now, once again, we can check the length of cylinder. Again, MSR is 4.2, and now change in VSR is there. That is coinciding division is 8 now because we have moved cylinder, and therefore 4.28 is the total reading of length of cylinder. Now, measurement of diameter of sphere. Actually, it is marble. Complete MSR is 2.4 and value of coinciding division on Vernier scale is 9. Therefore, 2.49 2.49 is the total reading. Again, we can recheck the diameter of sphere, that is the same 2.4 centimeter is MSR, and coinciding division is 9, that is total reading is 2.49. It means this marble is a perfect sphere. Next, length of wooden block. Here, main scale, the value of main scale is 5.2 centimeter, and coinciding Vernier division is 4. Therefore, 5.24 is the total reading, that is the length of wooden block. Now, measurement of breadth of wooden block. Complete MSR is 1.9, okay, and coinciding division, Vernier division is 9. Therefore, total reading is 1.99 centimeter. Complete MSR is 1.9 and coinciding division is 9. Therefore, total reading is 1.99. Now, measurement of thickness of wooden block. Complete MSR is 1.6 and coinciding division is 4. Okay, fourth division is coinciding. Fourth coinciding division of Vernier scale is 4. Therefore, total reading is equal to 1.64 centimeter. And this much is for today. If you have any doubts or queries, you can ask me.